for a property that's best investments? And let your life begin with the comfort of this luxury modern home. Your new modern home awaits you in Athurugiriya Bakmi Gahapar. Designed for a modern family, this luxury house is an elegant and spacious offering of comfort and style. With a stunning design, your living experience will be unlike any other. This home is filled with high quality amenities, including an AC and swimming pool to keep you comfortable year round. It has a total of 3 floors with 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Located in a prime location, this home allows for quick access to shops, restaurants, and schools. Okay, so why are you still waiting? Just dial the number on the screen for further information. And we have great deals all over the country on houses, apartments, lands, shops, and other property. Visit our website www.idam.lk and browse our genuine listings in our website to find the right property for you and your family. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like these and hit the bell notification icon for the latest updates about our videos.